This outlet could have burned the house down, and the homeowner had no idea. I got called out to a house for an outlet that wasn't working, but once I got there, I realized the damage was much worse than expected. I'm the Happy Handyman, and I'm going to walk you through how I safely repaired this issue. This is the outlet the customer called about. As soon as I got to it, I could smell that there were burnt wires. So I removed the faceplate, I confirmed the outlet was dead and that the circuit was tripped at the breaker box. Then I removed the 2 screws holding the outlet to the box. I removed a small section of drywall so that I could get a good look behind the wall just to see exactly where those wires were coming from so that it was safe to remove the larger section and get a real good look at what was going on. Right away, I saw evidence of a small fire. I grabbed the light to confirm, and for sure I can see that the outlet on the outside of the wall, the GFCI, had burnt up. Here's a real good look at that. This was a very close call. I'm going to remove everything that was damaged. The exterior outlet and the wires leading to it, these guys were pretty bad. I'm going to add some blocking so that I can attach the new exterior outlet to something solid. I'm going to add more blocking to the other side so we can attach our sheetrock after the repair is made. I'm going to go outside, replace the outlet box and the outlet. I'm going to get that all wired up, which we go over in a separate video. I'm going to test the outlet and make sure that we are good, and we are. I'm going to add insulation to anywhere that I removed it or even shifted it a little bit. We want to make sure that this is in there nice and tight. And the same thing to the other side, just a little bit where I moved things around. Now we're going to attach the sheetrock to the blocking I added before. And we're going to perform a normal drywall repair, which if you follow my channel, you've seen us do 100 times already. Replace the faceplate. And I'm going to check it for power one more time. Voila, we are good to go. Here's a look at the outside. This is a standard exterior GFCI outlet box. And this is a standard GFCI outlet. And this is a chef's kiss. Mwah! This is a perfect example of how hidden electrical damage could turn dangerous if ignored. If you notice anything like a tripped breaker or a warm outlet or a burning smell, don't hesitate. Follow the Happy Handyman for more helpful tips and tricks. And if you have a question about something you're working on, drop it in the comments below.